Hi guys, I decided to start trading stocks and tickers along with my crypto trading using the exact same process. So focusing my trading on managing risk and compounding the trades when I'm actually in a winning position. The main idea is I love to have challenges in my trading, and I look to take this opportunity to see if my trading looks proper on other markets and not only on crypto, and if my process actually makes sense for other markets as well. Honestly, I thought about it for a while, and I think my process works on Bitcoin, and I'm really eager to see if stocks trading and ticker trading can maybe give me some more edge in other markets as well, not only on crypto. I'm also interested to see if my psychology pans out well in non 24/7 markets and if I can trade around that. My goal basically is to see if I can get used in the following weeks with how the stocks work and how the stocks are moving, and to see if I can get used to the tickers and how they're moving along with the S&P and the Nasdaq and so on. Let's get to the most important question of this video, and it is the following. Why did I start trading stocks if I believe that my edge works well in Bitcoin? Well, if you know my situation right now, I'm at the point where Bitcoin, even though my Bitcoin trades are good and even though my process still works very well on Bitcoin, sometimes it gives diminishing returns for the amount of time that I am putting into it, and I was just wondering if maybe other markets will give me an easier time with my current process. And I think that the last few months, even though I haven't really won anything in Bitcoin with the prop firm trading, obviously, I think they have kind of helped me understand that there is no problem in trying other markets as well. It's an opportunity to see if I can get used to other markets and to see if I can adapt my process to new charts. Basically, that's the only thing that changes. New charts. I'm thinking that maybe new species are going to affect these tickers and stocks more than it would affect crypto, and so I would like to see how it will feel to trade both crypto and other assets at the same time. I am not going to renounce crypto. I love crypto. I think crypto is a gold mine in that you can really get out a lot of money out of the market only by trading Bitcoin and the big altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, Hype, and so on. And I think there's still a lot of edge in crypto for now. But when it's slower like it is right now, there's really no reason to keep knocking on a closed door. And I think I should try to diversify, because sooner or later I think this will help me a lot, because I'm doing this for making a career in this, right? I'm thinking for the long term. To be honest, short-term gains are fine, but they don't really, let's say, they don't really scratch my back as much as I would like to. I would like to think about the biggest mistakes that I could do when trading ticks and stocks. So keeping in mind that this is a not 24/7 market, my biggest mistake that I could do is over trading. Since I keep my trades up and running for quite a lot of time and I'm compounding them, I think this can bite me back just because of the fact that these trades can literally go into the weekend and you don't know how they will start at 4:30 or the stock market starting in US time on Monday. So you may never know when this starts on Monday, how they will open, with a gap up, with a gap down, and so on. Obviously, if you're trading it on a crypto exchange, like I'm doing it on Kraken, you will see that you will get quotas during outside of normal regular trading hours as well. but obviously this will be more erratic, the volume is low and so on, and I think that I need to be extremely cautious of taking too many compounds, of keeping my trades for too long, since there is also funding rate, and especially taking compounds on Friday, for example, or taking too many trades and getting too many trades close to the weekend and so on. I think that being careful of my timing of taking my trades and compounds, and for gaps, and obviously playing for gaps fields from time to time should be something that I keep in mind, and some mistakes that I can maybe avoid just by being a bit more patient. Basically, what I'm looking forward to is seeing if my process and my psychology can help me into being consistent also in these markets where let's say the rules of the game are a bit different. Okay, these are real markets. This is these are tickers for technology, for medicine, and for whatnot. These are stocks for actual companies that actually do something in real life. Bitcoin is way different. Okay, Bitcoin is basically what Bitcoin is just a ticker. Okay, it doesn't really have any proper use as of now. My strategy will basically be trying to trade only 2 tickers for now, just because of the fact that I think that most of my profits and most of my good trading is being done in only a few assets. So I will try to do it in the QQQs and in SpaceX for now. I might change SpaceX sooner or later, just because of the fact that the volume will probably vary or will probably go down very hard sooner or later. So but for now I think SpaceX is fine. I think QQQs are fine, just because they kind of emulate everything that Nasdaq does, and that's quite alright with me. Obviously the chart for QQQ is a bit different, and you can see it right here, where I'm trying something along the side of a deep crab harmonic to trade during the next week. Obviously we have a 3 days weekend right now, and so I'm trying something out. I'm trying to see if it works. I'm working with volume profile as well, pivots, gap closes, gap fills. Nothing special, right? I used to do this on crypto as well. I'm trying to do it as I was doing on crypto in these stickers, and hopefully they will look fine enough for my trading, and I can be consistent enough with them in order to keep doing this for a longer time. And I think it's very important to not diversify a lot. I think diversifying a lot for me kind of erodes my edge, and at the same time it kind of gets me off track when I'm trying to focus on risk managing and compounding my trades when I'm in a winning trade. I think that my big edge in trading Bitcoin is that I am not really trading many assets in crypto. I'm only trading Bitcoin and Ethereum, sometimes hype, but it's not much on the table. And at the end of the day, I think focusing on trade management is what makes me profitable, what makes me consistent, and I think I should be dialing in on that. This is it for now. I will keep you posted on my progress with the stock trading, and have a good one. Bye.